Turn down for what?
Well, y'all wait up here. Look at them over there cutting up there. I know they getting it. Hey, y'all turn down for what, huh? Look. Y'all turn down for what? Look. Look. Hey,